Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary or a branch of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian is been around for more than 50 years. They make amazing fragrances for what you pay, and Sapil is their lower tier fragrances, but don't let that fool you because they smell good, they're good quality. And I paid under £15 for this bad boy, and this one in particular called Sapil Laheeb Eau de Perfume 100 ml. So Laheeb in Arabic translates to English to fire or flame or heat or something like that. Okay, so as you can tell by the color, it is the name fire. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing of our first impression. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. This way you help me, encourage me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, and let's go. So very pretty box, very nice design to it for under £15. Again, these Middle Eastern houses, they know to give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the money, for the price what you pay. Very nice box, very nice design, red and gold accents. So attention to detail is always there. Okay, wow, fire it is. Look at that color. What a coloring, beautiful. Okay, heavy bottle, very nice design, retro design to it, very classic design to it. So red and gold, and the cap is plastic but it's very heavy, and the atomizer is modern. Here we go. Very good atomizer. So Sapil Laheeb Eau de Perfume 100 ml. I paid under £15 for this. In the UK you can find it under £15. In other places probably similar prices, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. So here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo, beautiful. So it's very warm, it's very spicy and very ambery. For these things of hit me first. So the sweet amber warm spice. Ooh, very spicy. So it's super spicy. So I can smell cumin, I can smell cardamom, I can smell something like cinnamon. It's very multifaceted in terms of the spices in here. Wow, what a smell, what a beauty. Under £15. This is the beauty of Middle Eastern houses, Middle Eastern fragrance companies. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink, because look at the presentation and the smell. It doesn't compute, because you know the big names, the big brands, especially the French ones, they've been ripping us for us consumers for such a long time. Something like this comes along and you don't believe it, because you say, okay, must be something wrong because it's only under £15, but it's not. It's beautiful, and it is similar to what you pay in French or big names, 5, 6, 7 times of that. Yes. Yeah, so ambery, very spicy, very warm, sweet, a little bit of woody backbone. I can smell something nutty as well, a little bit of muskiness. So overall, and also there is a backbone of florals, a little bit of jasmine and rose combinations or something like that. what a gorgeous smell. It smells much more expensive than I paid for it. Definitely smells opulent. It smells for going out. It smells for special occasion. Smells for um, formal occasions. So it's very, very opulent. The coloring is true to the perfume. It's very, very true to the perfume, because it says lahab, which is in Arabic, translated to English, it means fire, it means flame, it means, you know, heat or something like that. And it is that it's translating very, very well. Wow, the florals are coming up a little bit. There's little bit of feel of oud, but I don't think it's oud in here. It's just basically because of the combination of everything together, it giving it a little bit of oudy feel, but it's mainly amber and it's mainly woody. And the wood here is very smooth, so I'm expecting it to be something like sandalwood, cedar, something like that. But it's very, very smooth. It's very rounded. It's very well blended. Its quality is good for under £15. This is mind-boggling. How do they do it? But it's good for us consumers. I'm loving it, and it smells fantastic. So you need to like your spices first and foremost. Second is Oriental. This is true Oriental fragrance. It's very, very heavy on the base. It's very ambery. It's very spicy. It's very it's a little bit floral, woody, and musky, and also overall is giving it that little bit of earthy feel as well. So it's just sometimes I don't know what to say, because this perfume is so good, it's so well done for the price. I get you know, speechless. Yeah, the only thing about this line, the Sapil line, for the last you know, few Sapil I unboxed and reviewed, they all smell fantastic, they all smell amazing, they smell much more expensive, but performance is not huge. They are medium performer, around 6 to 8 hours. So I'm expecting this one to be the same line as the other Sapils, around 6 to 8 hours. But for the price, even that 6 to 8 hours is amazing. So say 6 hours on the skin and 8 hours on the shirt or material. But again, for what I'm smelling right now, it just smells, you know, £100, okay, plus. And that good it is in terms of quality, smell, and the profile, and the mixing, and the here in the mix of ingredients in here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. So in the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the performance, and the development, things like that. But for the first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 I'm loving it. Absolutely gorgeous to the max. To me, this is no brainer, but let's see how is the performance. As I said, I'm expecting it to be the same, you know, same 6 to 8 hours length of time, and also about around 2 hours of projection. So let's see what happened. Okay guys, thank you very much as always. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, very unique, very long lasting, and amazing value for money. But you need to live in your kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.